While Enphase does, the microinverters do solve that shade problem. Their SolarEdge, the Coke or Pepsi, depending on which perspective you have, the other big choice for inverters for residential solar systems here in the US, solves exactly the same problem, but they just do it differently. They don't shrink down the inverter technology. They just put an optimizer under every panel. The optimizer gives you all of the things that the microinverters do. It gives you modular level electronics, which, take care of any arcing issues. They provide rapid shutdown, and they provide panel level monitoring for the consumer and the solar company. So they do all those things exactly the same, but there are lots of advantages to having a optimizer instead of a microinverter, in my opinion. I think inverters are way more likely to fail. They're doing a very hard job. I think that the microinverter, you're going to have all of those fail probably on your system at some point and have to get them fixed. I think the microinverters are a bad choice for that reason. I think that optimizers are less likely to fail, and therefore you are more likely to have more uptime on your system. And then, as I've said in lots of other videos, another thing that really I think is terrible about microinverters is that they have AC coming off the roof. So if you need to couple it with a battery, you need to invert it to get it into the battery, invert it again to get it out of the battery, and therefore you're inverting it 3 times, which is absolutely ridiculous.